responsive sa needs. Tapos, high standards. Ibig sabihin, responsive sa needs, high support. High standards, ayan, high demand. Kung babalikan natin yung definition kanina, magpo-fall ito sa best parenting style or sa authoritative. Okay? Balikan lang natin yung authoritarian. Okay? Yung authoritarian, it's a high demand pero low ang support. Unlike dito, may high demand and high support. Okay? Permissive, ayan, high support pero low ang demand sa good behavior.